How to edit campaign MailChimp. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can edit campaign MailChimp. Now, the first thing to do is to log into your MailChimp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options such as create, then you'll see campaigns. Yes, campaigns. So just go ahead and click on campaigns and load you take it to the campaigns page. For you to want to edit your campaign or to edit a campaign on MailChimp, I'm sure it's because you have a campaign already. Yes, you have a campaign already. So just like I also have a campaign here. So just scroll down. Okay, let me go back. Now, once you click on campaigns, you'll be brought to this page here. All right. If you want to create a new campaign, you just move over to the right side of the screen and click on create new. But we're not creating a new campaign, we are editing a new campaign, sorry, in this tutorial. So just scroll down to where your campaign is. As you can see, my campaign is still not well formed. It's not well formed. That's why it's like this. So just move over to the right side of the screen and then click on edit. Yeah, edit. Just click on it. Then you'll be redirected to the edit page. So here you select those you're sending the email to, from where the settings, send time, if you want to schedule a time to send the campaign, and then you could add a social post to your email settings and tracking, whatever you want to do. You connect your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, just edit it the way you want to. And then once you're done, you click on send. Send is located by the top right corner of the screen in a box here. Click on send, and that's how you can edit your campaign on MailChimp. Yes, thanks for watching.